In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your watch history on TikTok. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up TikTok app and then just tap here at Profile Picture. Next, tap at three lines icon and select Settings and Privacy. Then here you have to find Watch History, tap on it, and there you can find all your watched videos for the last 7 days. If you want to save one of that videos to watch them after that 7 days, all you have to do is tap on that video, and from here you can bookmark that video, and then you can go to your profile, tap on that icon where you can find all your bookmarked video. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.